Good morning, everybody. Brian Morris here. Happy Halloween. It is Wednesday, October 31st, 2018. It is about 10:12 a.m. Market's been open for about 43 minutes. I'm just looking for something good trade set up right now. It's just kind of in this range. We'll probably wait a little bit for something that is a little bit more solid of a trade. So we'll sit tight and hopefully something will pop up and we'll make a little bit of money this morning. Well, I was just getting ready to take this double bottom here. You can see this red line of support. Both the candle wicks touched, got a reversal, but it jumped from about 80 straight up to 84 in a matter of a fraction of a second. So couldn't get into that one. We'll wait for something else. Maybe we can have another. If we're going to play this move back down, maybe we can play this double top here at this resistance level. Getting some heads up that it will, if it goes down, that it will be okay. But it looks like we're going to break that support. So at this point, I would be more likely to take the long. Even though there is a lot of resistance up here, but it might be just enough to give us what we're looking for. This needs to come down. We've got a clarity diamond, EMA bounce. See if we can get that push up. Had it. You can bring that target back down a bit. Hopefully it'll get back up there. I need to change my target strategy here a little bit. I'm also going to bring this stop up just in case. And that's why. Darn it, if I'd have adjusted my stop. Let me pause the video and adjust the stop. But, losses happen, I guess. Let's pause the video. And of course you can see it goes up. I really thought I had if I had left my stop down here where it was supposed to be, we'd have been fine. This is the third tier. I guess it could go back up to test that resistance. Let's see if we can get that in play here. I'm going for 10 ticks. Sorry, I still have the sinus cold. Let's see what happens here. Lots of slippage again on that. 2 ticks of slippage, actually. Got it, though. Nice. And that's the way it should happen. But we had that small loss. It's a good thing it was a minimal loss. So we're at least in profit. We'll wait for one more decent setup. Could have a double bottom in play here, a double top in play here. It's always a pretty solid setup if it holds. Needs to down close. If it up closes, it's going to nullify the trade, and it did. And we'll pause the video and see if we can find one more. Alright, we are in. I usually don't like these kind of setups, but sweet, it worked. Mostly because this one came back. It was okay. This one, it kind of recharged itself, came back down towards the EMAs. We got a good fanning on the EMAs, which is a new piece of it that I'm looking. So we've got a strong move to the upside. Had a first level of breaking resistance, and we moved up. So I really should have had that first one too, but we were able to make up for it. So let's see where we stand here. Another 50, so we're up 65 on the day with one contract. That's going to put us in that plus 50 net for the day with the one contract. So let's pause the video, hit the spreadsheet, and close the sucker up, and we'll live to fight another day tomorrow. All right, I'm going to do what I probably shouldn't do, and nice, got it. Look at that. Look at that. This was a really good. It bounced off the 8 EMA. I got a heads up on another chart that this was going to go bounce back up to the to the upside. If you get the trading strategy at stormtraderacademy.com, this is all stuff that I will teach you and learn how to do the the confirmation charts that you don't see on the screen here that kind of help filter out the trades that may not work out as well, kind of filter out some of the chop and stuff like that. So, but this is it's kind of an additional technique to what I'm already doing that just kind of adds another layer of confirmation. So I closed out that trade a little early just because I wanted to make sure I got some ticks. But we're even at 100, and we're going to be in that probably $18 commission, so we're still going to be north of $85 on the day. One contract, so pretty good. Now let me bring up the spreadsheet. Alright, so at least we got all the trades on video today. You saw all four trades. One contract, so that gives us 20 ticks on the day. We had 4 trades, 3 winners, 1 loser. We know that's 75%, but we'll let it calculate. 1 contract, 100 smackaroos. There we go, $82. That doesn't seem right. That's a lot of commissions for 4 trades. Is that right? That's right. Yeah. 450 times 4. Yep. Well, let me double check because I'm not so sure. 450 times 4. Yep. Okay. I was doubting myself for a minute. $82. So yeah, that's just what it is today. Let me pause the video. I want to show you what's going on with the website here. Okay, so if you come to stormtraderacademy.com, right now it's you're seeing let me stretch this video out a little bit. Okay, so I actually end up even using a different browser. So you can go to stormtraderacademy.com, learning to trade futures. Not sure why this video piece isn't playing. It's just my normal opening with the Storm Lightning and the company name popping up there. But this is Storm Trader Academy. If you're interested in day trading, you can put your name and email address in here if you're interested in following along. There's just a little bit of a description, some examples of what you can do in this, a little bit about the academy and the system that I use. Definitely you want to treat this as a business. I think all traders should treat this as a business. That's the only way to really approach it. We can hopefully learn to trade to a full-time income, which is what I'm trying to do. Let us all be to succeed and treat this as an apprenticeship and learn find a place to learn and study it and become a professional, fine-tune your skills, perform. I've got a whole section in the upcoming course that's about specifically the 4 quadrants of learning to trade and the success path that you need to take. And there's some testimonials, and then this is the area where we've got a $47 a month chat room that you can get in. It is a Slack chat room at the moment. Let me bring that over, and you can see the different people in here. We post trade examples, we discuss trades and stuff like that. Definitely something to consider. I'm looking into maybe a live trade room that could be incorporated with this. And these 2 are not available at the moment because it's going to be a monthly lease. So if you don't want a lifetime license, which is just a one-time payment, where you get all of the course, all the templates, and everything in one for a lifetime, one payment, then you can also choose one of these 2 where you can lease the software, or you can lease the software and get coaching. So I've got some additional stuff to add to these guys, but I'm working with NinjaTrader right now to properly code that technology. But these are going to come, and then we've got our risk disclaimer. But certainly the blog is there if you want to follow along. There's some other stuff in here once you do sign in or become a member of the academy. You'll get access to all of that. You get access to me 24/7. I'm always here to help answer questions about the system, about trading in general. Help evaluate winning and losing trades to kind of figure out what you did wrong, what you did right, And, it's just a community of traders, which is what I'm trying to get here. And, get everybody who wants to learn how to trade futures and learn how to day trade together in a room, and let's talk about it. Let's get everybody working. I wish I had something like this when I was getting started. I wish I would have had someone to kind of help me through. Instead, I learned everything the hard way. I found a decent system that you guys see every day that I've been able to take and run with and fine tune and add some things to be able to cut out some of the bad trades. But in the long run, this is where I'm going. I want a community of alike traders and trading the same system and helping each other with our trades and helping each other with our ups and downs and have a support system. And trading can be a lonely business, and this is certainly something that you can jump into with very minimal financial outlay. Like it says here, you can start with as little as $1,000, like I did. That's the whole part of the challenge that I'm doing, is starting with $1,000 and working it up. And I've already been able to make money and withdraw twice the amount I put in, and then some. So I'd love it for everybody to take a look at the site, and if you're interested, you can email me at thestormtrader@gmail.com. I guess I don't have a contact page on here. I probably should add a contact page on here. I will do that hopefully today, so you can just click on contact me or contact us up here and have a contact form if you want to do that, or you can just straight email me. That'd be great. And I look forward to seeing everybody who wants to come in, and hopefully we can all work together and trade together and all be successful together. So until then, we'll see you guys tomorrow for another hopefully successful day.